Understanding internet traffic is key when it comes to maintaining the online presence of your business. Attracting consumer traffic to your business website is important because when people visit and interact on the site, it positively impacts your conversion rate down the line. Your digital marketing team can track the traffic that navigates to your business website by using analytic tools such as Google Analytics. Direct traffic is essentially any traffic that arrives at your website from an unknown source, from an unknown origin, and no link is clicked and there is no referring website or URL. Organic traffic refers to the number of visitors that reach your business website by clicking on a link from another website or from a search engine results page. This type of traffic is generated by the ranking of your company's website. If you need help with your digital marketing strategy, call I See You Now at 512-370-4078.